Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it and press it. Now fold it from the top and press well. Again fold it. Then from the other side, the same step. Now fold it to the bottom and press it. Now again fold it upwards, press well. And now fold inwards from one side and then the other. Now fold it like this and press well. Repeat this step from the other side too. Now fold it to add some details. Press well. Now from the other side, press it like this. Open it up and now fold it inwards. Now from the other side, repeat the same step. Press it well. Now fold it. Press it. Now shape the wings of the plane so that it may fly far. Then from the other side, repeat the step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Alright? Now, we have to add some more detailings. Mark them. And now, cutting it like this. The one portion and then the other one. Now press them upwards. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.